There have been some questions about how smooth the panning is on the head of the Ravelli AVTP Professional, and I can tell you that it is as smooth as glass. So pans are smooth, tilts are smooth, and it's really easy to increase and decrease the drag with the set screw right here. And if you want to take the camera off and put a new camera on, sometimes before I learned how to do this, you pull this screw out and then you keep turning it. It's kind of like a ratchet. Then you can slide the camera right off, hopefully not breaking your rig in the process, and then slide your new camera right on. Tighten that bad boy down. Nice smooth pans and tilts. So I don't know where the rumor is that you can't get a smooth pan out of this camera, especially when you're behind it using the dual handles. But this is a fabulous $159.99 or so fluid head tripod with really great legs. So hopefully that's helpful to you, and happy shooting and more camera power to the people.